In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add long story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to go to story panel. After that, we can tap right here to open up our camera roll. Then we can tap Add Recents and select videos to filter all our media content by videos. After that, all we have to do is just select any video. I'm just gonna pick this 2 minutes video in this way. Then we need to choose a part of the video up to 1 minute, just like that. And then tap Add Done. Then we can also configure volume. We can add there some text, stickers, effects, and then we can tap Add Arrow icon, and then we can share this story with our followers. That's how you can easily add long story on Instagram.